to Chris Wood's desk.
Are you tired of looking like a fumbling idiot every time you go to the grocery store, only to realize that your Nissan 350Z hatch won't open? Well, my friend, don't distress over your ramen noodles and your marshmallows, because we've got a fix that's guaranteed to work for you. As owners of God's greatest supercar, known to man, there is one glaring flaw in the design. Sometimes those old hatch springs just don't want to comply and open up for you, and in getting in the way of storing those 2 sets of golf clubs to be the next Tiger Woods or the grocery store hero down at the Whole Foods. Hi there, my name is Donk Swampy. You might remember me from such products as NordVPN. Well, I'm here today to share a new powerful product with you. The OpenTop spring assembly for the Nissan 350Z. If you're tired of your trunk door not opening upon first press of the button, have I got a product for you.
The f*** is that? I'm dying as f***.
Simply open up the package upon arrival to reveal the OpenTop springs. Installation process is very simple. Simply untwist and remove the old helper spring. Remove the rubber washer from the top of the assembly. Remove the old rubber sleeve from the assembly. You'll use this in the next step. Just check out the latest spring design from OpenTop. It's blue. What more could you ask for? Reinstall the rubber sleeve onto the new unit. Now, reinstall the old rubber washer. No need for the dryer though. OpenTop's patented copy of Nissan's design allows for direct fit. Rinse and repeat. Just check out how easily the trunk pops open now. You're a grocery store hero again. Thanks, OpenTop.